Welcome today in front of me Vivo Y01, and I'll show you how to change notification sound on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then here tap on the sound setting section. Now just here you can see the notification ringtone, and just to change the ringtone you should just select one from these available ringtones. For example, this one. Now just go back and here you'll see the changes that we just successfully changed our notification sound on our Vivo device. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.